For my current event, I chose to do the California wildfires, and this is actually something I just found out about. So how they started. These wildfires are known as the Camp Fire, and they got this name because the fire was first ignited near Camp Creek Road. The wildfire started on November 8th in the Plumas National Forest. Right now, the cause is unknown, but there are speculating theories. One theory is that the Pacific Gas and Electric Company, an energy company, failed to maintain its equipment, resulting in the power lines sparking the fire. This is actually not the first time that the Pacific Gas and Electric Company was blamed for wildfires. They were blamed for 12 other ones in 2018 alone. The flames were urged by powerful winds and low humidity. These are some statistics on the wildfires. More than 800 people are missing at the moment. 84 people have died due to the fire, and this is more deaths than the deaths from the past 3 wildfires combined. Some died in their homes, their cars, and others died in their yards, literally trying to run away from the fire. The Camp Fire has destroyed an area that can be made up of 115,000 football fields, including destroying the entire town of Paradise. More than 10,000 buildings and 14,000 homes were burned down, and as of now, the fire is 95% contained due to the help of the rainfall that finally came. These are some pictures of the fire. As you can see, the fire is massive and has caused a lot of destruction. The bottom middle picture is of a burnt down neighborhood, and the bottom right picture is of a search and rescue team that are actually looking for human remains. So the air quality during and after the wildfires. Before the rainfall and without any wind, there was nowhere to disperse the smoke. Officials deemed the air quality as very unhealthy for people to breathe, and as a result of this, schools and businesses were closed. In the town of Paradise, experts have said that the air was the most polluted air in the world, even worse than the air in China or India. The rain that came earlier in the week has helped to improve the air quality. So where are the residents going now that their homes are destroyed? Within hours of the fire starting, 52,000 people had fled the area. Many went to cities such as Chico, Oroville, and Yuba City. The Red Cross has set up 8 shelters and took in about 1,000 people. Hundreds of people set up tents in Walmart parking lots, and a lot of people even had Thanksgiving there. Others stayed in hotels or with friends, while some people completely left town. People have not been able to return to their homes, and there is not a set timetable on when the area will be regarded as safe again. New concerns. Those who were affected by this disaster have the choice to either rebuild their homes or leave and live somewhere else. With climate change making wildfire season last longer and the fires more destructive, staying and rebuilding is a very worrying proposition. This might be a hard decision to make, but after going through this, I think I would personally leave. I actually saw one woman had lost her home for the second time in just 4 years. The rain that finally fell over California has helped fight the fire. This rain can bring upon other problems, though, such as mudslides and rock slides. It has also made it harder for search and rescue teams to locate victims. Debris from burnt homes and buildings being washed into streams is another concern, as it can pollute the water. Recovery from this disaster is said to take many years. These are just the sources that I used, and I also saw that many organizations are taking donations to help the victims of this wildfire.